guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Auntie Tay. If you guys don't know who I am, that's who I am. And this year, 2019, I have decided that I'm going to bullet journal. So in January on my YouTube channel, we are gonna be focusing on we are gonna be focusing on one bullet journal, but I specifically have done 2 bullet journals. One is for my Auntie Tay stuff, and the other one is for my personal stuff. So I'll be walking you guys through this bad boy for the next month or so. Every Monday there will be a bullet journaling video. So I know bullet journaling can be kind of intimidating to some people. So this video, I'm showing you guys an alternative to doing your months. I am offering to my patrons all of my printable planners for the last 5 years that were free to all of the peeps. You guys will get a copy of every single one to decide which one you like, as well as a new one that will come out in January, which is now. So it should be out for you guys. You guys will see that in this video. I'm gonna be putting it in January. This is the 2016 planner. It's super cute. It's called the Shabby Planner. It has like a cute little sidebar that's different on each one. And then it's like red and gray and black. It's really cute. It's like that shabby chic look. So if bullet journaling can be kind of intimidating to you, but you like to print your own stuff, this could be a really easy solution for you. So I'm gonna show you guys in January what I did so you guys can see how easy it can be to not only bullet journal, but also be practical, but also have a cute layout at the same time. So let's get going. All right, so I started with my printable planner, and I have a ton of printable planners available to my patrons. Every year I usually come out with a free one on my blog, but this year I just did not have time. But I compiled all of my old printables for my patrons and put them into our patron files, as well as a ton of other printables that I didn't realize that I have done over the years. So if you are a planner patron, check that out because we've got a lot of fun files coming for you guys this month. Okay, so I just printed it out on a full sheet. This is the monthly that I designed for January. I will design more every single month. I'll try to get some ahead of time for you guys so that you guys can print them out a little bit more. But if you like this design, you can print out multiple of this one, or you can go through our old printables and print out more months. Then I just cut them in half and cut off the edges, and then I love to use scrapbooking paper. These pads, I get them at Hobby Lobby, and I just like to pull out full sheets of paper or use them as little scraps. But for this month, I'm just going to washi tape one onto the side, and I liked that it had like this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday thing on there. So I also get these glue sticks at Hobby Lobby as well. They're my favorite. I'll try to put all of this stuff in the Amazon store if you guys don't have a Hobby Lobby. So links in the description. Check out my Amazon store under planning for where I got my Leuchtturm bullet journal and all of the fun things that I also get if you don't have a craft store in your neighborhood. So even though I glue them down, sometimes I like to use washi tape on the edges just because it gives them more of a not so papery feel on the outside. And then I just like to use washi tape on anything, and sometimes my washi tape doesn't like to come off, like this one, and I gave up, so I used a different one, which I liked better anyways. So then I just tape that on, and I like it because it turns it into kind of like a flap, and I can fold it out, or I can protect something. Like maybe I don't want people reading my journal if I have this out in public, so I can use a piece of paper to cover up that spot, or I can just use it as I'm using this month, where it's just kind of like extra stuff I can write on, or you could do a to-do list and that pops out. There's so many different fun things you can do if you do it like this. So for this, I'm just doing our schedules. Our girls have some crazy sports and music and things going on starting back up in January. So I just liked to have this, and I can even reuse this in February and take it out and put it on February if our schedule stays the same. We just have a lot of sports because we're homeschooled this month and, well, for this year. And so we've been doing crazy sports and music classes and tons of things like that. So I'm using a watercolor pencil just to go in the corner, and I'm just making a little blob of watercolor. And then I'm going to use my watercolor pen. Again, I will add all of my favorite stuff to Amazon just so you guys have a spot to get it if you don't know. But I love watercolor pencils, and I'm just gonna use a black pen and go in and do the numbers, and then I'm gonna watercolor on top of that, which will give it kind of like a smudged look. Kind of fun. But then I realized I have a ton of number stickers, so I need to use those up too. So for the rest of my months, I'm going to be using stickers for the numbers. And that is my monthly.